Hello, my loves. Morning. What's up? Happy Sabbath to all of the Sabbath keepers. Also. Big up on yourself and to everybody else. Happy day to you. Yes, so make I get into it. I really come to have a conversation with Madam Tlady. I have a few questions to ask her. I want to sit her down. I have a conversation with her, woman to woman. You understand? Yes, but before I get into it, my loves. Yesterday, me dey about my business. I mind my own business because I wasn't in Planka shop. Me there somewhere else. You understand? Because you know, so me have to dey all over the place, so I can't do tarry at one place too long. Yes, me go a everybody yard. Self only go a Planka shop. Become like say self moving and live in a Planka shop. That as a pin drop, self is over there. Anyway, no. When she called me, she said, "Chi, run, come here over Planka shop. No. Me I said, Jesus Christ, I walk one a Planka shop. Me catch me nervousness now in the middle of and all kind of something. So me feel like, somebody says, somebody say, self, awa. Self, I say, come now, man, come. And me I say, awa. He said, me fi run, come here, call, gully back there over Planka shop. So me love when me hear that now, me vex. Me become disappointed because me I say, Imagine, look how long me sit down here and wait for the house opening. And imagine now, lady, they start up the house opening and invite Gully back now if you come perform there. And me left way around back as usual as the hag seed. Yeah, like the hag seed. You understand? Left out of everything herself. I say, no, run, come here, in more serious than that. Papa Jesus loves when me hear that I draw the little piece of old slippers them. And I take off down the road 10,000 like a ground plate. The whole of the piece of wig for me head back this a blow a galang so God breeze take it anyway when I reach I was so breathless. Me loves all that ground me down you must drop and creep up the whole of my knee up but me toe kick out the whole of my toenail them everything just to reach over Planka shop so me no late to get the juice. Me loves now when I reach now I see this pass man and Gully Bop in at the front seat but me I said to myself me I said but Gully Bop not look too good he look sickly himself. I say, yes, go listen. So me draw near and now when I get for listen, now when I listen, now I get for understand. Say, he is very ill. So I really come to Planka shop to get little assistance. So the passing church and the whole heap of different church, them all about the place because the passing. Is a person as him say him have a congregation, you understand? Cause of that me I say to self now, say him have a congregation and churches have whole heap of different branches locally and internationally or even both locally and internationally. Him could have gathered him congregation them together and the rest and help out. But then me I say me I say, but probably now, Lady D, because she have a bigger platform and a wider audience, and she have influence on a lot of people. So maybe that's why him just bring her there or something. So then Didi and talk. So, but Lady D now decide say she not go collect no money for him, but she put him out there to the public, put out the pass number because him need food and medication and know the bag and something we have run him there now. So he need all of that. So him really in need of some serious assistance when you see them pick up Gully Bop, big artist Gully Bop, But I just support a life and I hope everybody are looking to themselves say that you can be up and healthy and strong. You understand? And tomorrow you knows what? Nobody knows. But I want to get I want to why, Lady D, you must sorry and make people know which part you live. Cause if people like I say, you did go on the cross, go dead for the world, me love everybody find Planka shop, sick, lame, and lazy. He whole young, middle age, all kind of different somebody. Find for your yard everything, them pass the hospital, them pass doctor office, them pass health center, everywhere, them pass police, them pass everywhere. I find 99, mighty God. Anyways, no, me loves. After me did no one, everything done and he gone a yard or something now I decide say make I take time and scramble back off in my yard. So when I was walking now I come back now. I feel little thirsty because I don't know the sun so hot out here. I feel little thirsty, so I stop at one of them little corner shop there now and decide say, may I go buy something, if it quench the thirst. So I went and I buy one of the little suck something there. Because I want tough one because, when you're walking and the sun so hot it will melt down fast and you will have something to go and munch pan, to go and calm down your structure and cool you down until you reach. Anyways though, so while I was there, the phone started to ring. And when I look, it was Agnes. So me I say, but tan, when Agnes I call me for Agnes supposed to be a prayer meeting. Agnes, no, there no prayer meeting. Anyway, I answer come me I say possibly anything it can be a case of emergency. So make a answer. And when I answer, Agnes say, Chip, me I beg you do me love. Me don't know if you can run or if you go walk or whatever you go do, but galang over Portland fast, me loves. Me I wonder one of me I say, then Agnes, when me could have go Portland for look how for me the right now me this I left 99. When me could have they go Portland fast and he mention landlord, me loves friend, he mention landlord, he never have to say anything else. I kick off the slippers and run past every bus, taxi, coaster, everybody just reach a Portland. When I reach out of Portland now, I reach nearly a landlord gate. I hear she depend oh no, run go call Tlady. Run go call Tlady. And all me the day I look, you know, I don't see nobody I run past go call Tlady. So me I say, I wonder what cause at me a people and I don't see anything. So me say, all right, me run go call Tlady. And me loves me take off again for it. Me I run go now, you know. When me run and reach a Tlady, now all I've been calling, no answer. No Tlady. Anyways, now I turned back and I went back to Portland because I want to see what the excitement was about. Or if, you know, the landlord in a any little trouble or any little thing I wanted, Tlady. So when I take a stop now, me love I listen. Me hear the landlord now I play one city with Golibab. And Golibab attack say, man, Tlady did involve. So me I say, what a bangarang. Me know say him and there with one chin before. I know me, it's not me. It's another chin, not me. That one the name, Shana Chin. But then later down she did change her name from Shana Chin to Shana Controller. Yes, because I two Shana Chin out there, you know, so people always mix them up, you understand? So no. She end up and change her name now to Shana Controller. So I said, but I never know of Tlady. So me I say, I wonder if Golibapa landlord know where them I say. But when landlord play and galang now me hear when Golibap say it all time out say Tina Chin. Me loves. I was shocked. I was shocked for the first news to me. Anyways, now me decide say me have to have, you know, a little conversation with Tlady. So Tlady, I beg you come here to me, ma'am. Tlady, come here to me, mama, have a writ against you. So, Tlady, make her ask you a question now. We are going to reason woman to woman. And if there's anything you have to say, Tlady, you speak now or forever hold your peace. You understand? You can trust me. Tell me any little thing between me and you. I would have never come over here on my platform. Can't tell them nothing. Never. And if you tell me, say, yeah, Golibab did a dugu. You understand? Now no little dugu men together. And I tell them, probably self will tell them, but me not tell them. I'm not telling them. But then Tlady, then you and Golibab did used to dugu men smell of. Papa Jesus, me I the first news to me. They know Tlady. I truth or a lie. Golly Papa spread propaganda pa you me love because when you come out, you know, you're going like say you are a lady. You're going like say you're a lady and you're this type of individual or something. So me I say, no sir, but I probably call him up, you know, I spread propaganda pan Tlady. But then he must say, so call it different something and me I look into it and me I try remember back down in 2016, 17, then time there. And me I say, but time. Anyways, no. So that mean to say no, Tlady. Say you are married. You know, I did meet your wifey. Papa Jesus. So who did that first? Are you a Shana Controller? No, I think I hear Golibab say, him and Shana did involve, but then you did come in. Papa G in the picture. Then Lord have mercy, then Tlady. And where you did want so? Are the body? Are the body? I can't bother. I cannot bother. Because I remember, you know, me love seeing Mr. Golibap in one choices one time. I see Mr. Golibap in one choices one time, me loves. And me have to wonder if it's another foot God did I make there. So because me I said this year man, me don't know if no man with so much. I don't have no mom and did some, and he never alive in it then, you understand? So I was wondering if it's another foot God did I put there. So the lady, and that did strike your eye, ma'am, are you not getting any of the money? But if you're not getting any of the money, I'm telling you, as Gully back door songs, every girl want to walk off for me. So me never know you're one of them. And the first news to me, I never know say you're one of them. But bad to bad now, maybe tea lady. Everybody a come out. Can see there? Shana come out now for assist, and Mary come out now for assist. So it's more than fear now. Tea lady, if you come out and give you little dividends too, you understand? You know, have a carry a planka shop. But do what you used to, you know, do any little thing that you can do, because you help to hack out the whole of the man back sack it. You understand? So you play for your part too. But till it look bad, do I look very shameful for no say you have a platform over there, so and your ex-man now him take sick and I wish party find your public enemy. Your ex-man out there, you know. But are you ex-man for true till you can't be not comfortable saying your ex-man? Are your boyfriend for true, mama? Me I try imagine you not together. Me I try imagine you not together. Lord have mercy. God. You did see? You did see God? Lord have mercy. Till lady, I never want to say this, you know, but you're nasty, you know. You're a nasty little woman, till lady. Till lady, you sick me stomach, man. Till lady, you sick me stomach, till lady. A good thing me never buy none of your cake, because till lady, you're nasty, man. Till lady, you could have do better. I can't, but till lady, your stomach coming like you make out of cement and steel. A concrete. You're too much strong, man. If you ever, like I said, if him love the chin, no, no, that part. Uno pretend so uno never hear that part. Uno take out that part. Self take out that piece here. I'm not mentioning that part. I was going to say the bap, Mr. Bap look like he love the chin them, but no, Well, me's a different kind of chin. I'm a different kind of chin, my love. Everybody else chin spell C-H-I-N. My chin spell C-H-Y-N. So, me's a different kekla chin. You understand? So, yes. Then tea lady, you know, say in one of the part now, me hear Gully Bab say, Tina chin favor monkey. That self come here. Gully Bab say, Tina chin favor monkey. Then Tina chin. Tea lady no. I want to make Gully Bab see so. How what you do? Because if Gully Bab don't fit tell you say your favor monkey, you know tea lady, I must some tea lady. I don't know. I can't bother with woman sometimes I found a little bit nasty. We don't have no stomach. It look like God take out some drunk stomach and make up food with it. God give a little drunk DNA in your stomach, tea lady, because I don't understand how you can come out here and play this type of individual and you used to lie down and wrap up a foreign there with Gully Bab. You're nasty, man. You're very nasty. Yes, very out of order, tea lady. So, tea lady, I'm calling you to the front now. You see, if it's true, you can tell me and not tell a soul. But if it is not true, you need to come out and clear your name, ma'am. Tea lady, come and clear your name, oh. Because if whole of your name they all over social media, me love naka replace you and Gully Bab used to rub a dub. I can't bother. Go soon, go see her for your face. Go see her for your face, tea lady. I went for your face makeup, you know, you is very ugly, you know. You're ugly when your face makeup, man. You're not cute at all. You're not cute. Anyways, beloved, I'm not staying long on this topic here because I want to see the outcome. And I want to, you know, free up the phone just in case tea lady I go come call me and clear the hair. You understand? So I will see you know in another video. So don't pick up on yourself, enjoy the rest. So no there are if you don't hear anything out there, you can pinch me and tell me if you don't see me, you can find but come to think of it, Agnes, how Agnes knows say things are going up a landlord fi call me and tell me Agnes supposed to do a prayer meeting. Me loves that so come because if you like I say Agnes no there no prayer meeting. Agnes supposed to do a fasting service and prayer meeting. So I going over there if we see if she lock up in her house and the people them platform are listening because Agnes supposed to be in church. Anyways, me love, I will see you in another video. So I will see you bye bye. Enjoy the rest of the day. You know stay safe, peace out, enough love, respect and appreciation to each and every one. I will see you bye bye.